Hi guys. It is currently 6:03 in the morning. I already did my brows and like my face makeup. Today I'm doing a different video. So I've seen a lot of makeup to school. I even did one. Link below, click on the iCard. But I was like, no one's done a wear face paint to school or like face art. And that's what I'm doing today. I looked at my school's dress code and it's pretty much just like you can't like, my dress code is literally the smallest thing ever. It's like you can't promote like drugs, alcohol, and like inappropriate behavior like on your clothes, and that's it. Now, I don't want to wear any like crazy Halloween makeup to school because I feel like that might scare people and I'll have to take it off. I found this tutorial and it's a head in the clouds makeup tutorial. It's like that, so yeah, I'm just gonna follow this. Corey Woodward. I'll link her down below.
The street into the heat of the night, yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come, you acted wrong, don't deny, you are like a model.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make the clouds now. I'm really nervous, but yeah. Okay, I like underlined them with blue. They like kind of failed. Whatever. Just gonna line my eyes with some eyeliner now, and you know, just hope we look okay. They don't really look like clouds like right here, but like I tried. I'm gonna go into my Sleek Solstice palette, and I'm gonna take the like pink shade right here. Okay. That's pretty much it. I'm kind of nervous. I don't think I'll be asked to take it off because all my teachers are chill. But unless I see someone in the hallway who's like unchill, I think I'll be fine. So yeah, this is the look. Yeah, I'll see you guys at school. Hi guys, I'm at school. Yeah, I don't know. I'm with Kelly. Who's being really weird. Hi. And Maggie.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hey guys. She looks so pretty.
Whoa! This is so cool. Subscribe to Rachel and give this video a like and comment down below. And Rachel will be liking and replying to comments all night. So.
The assistant principal at my school just told me nice face. So, feeling pretty great.
I think you have,
at least he didn't say take it off.
I need to give you credit because you have like the balls to actually take out a camera and like.
Oh, I don't care.
There's kids that are so disappointed that would never take out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to class.
Hey, babe.
Give me a second. Let me check my hair. A lot's going on here. When I was walking down the hallway and I saw you forgot to blend your contact. First thing.
It's fun.
And then I'm like, who gave Rachel hickeys?
The fact that you think someone would give me a hickey is so sweet.
And then I'm like, did she get into a thing of cotton candy? Okay. And
Yeah, they're supposed to be clouds. It didn't really work.
Let's get a shot when I was little.
it's a little wonky.
Yeah, sure.
Also, there are some marks where I can see where you like ended the cloud.
Yeah.
Especially like the one on your right. Bottom right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the first one I did.
Do it little.
Rachel!
Right now, Rachel. Rachel, right now.
Could be better.
Is she recording?
Just put a clock right where you
Yeah.
Later, Rachel.
A lot's going on.
Okay.
I'd say stick to something more natural.
This assistant principal saw me in the hallway and told me nice face.
Oh.
Just nice face.
Is that supposed to be a compliment?
I don't know.
Go give me a paper.
Eddie, what do you think?
I think that you should go give me a paper. Go give me a paper.
I'll get Lily.
Byzantine Empire.
I'm supposed to
I
fall
got this.
asleep.
I got this one.
So, I'm about to fall asleep.
Me too.
Don't be saying
Okay, what's your thought about the look?
I think it's great. I think it's different. I don't think those pants go with the makers, but it's okay.
Okay, my pants are a little long on me.
Oh, they are.
Oh, shoot. Hey,
I'm a short girl.
no tsunami here.
Hi guys. Sarah, what do you think of my look?
I love the look. We're in English class right now.
You want to be in it?
I didn't do my essay.
Hey.
Rachel's not.
Does anyone else want to be in it? What, you want to say something else?
Hey, shout out to me, brother, bro. That's how Blue Lady's at.
My YouTube channel?
Sydney, I love you. Wait, Zach, who is Sydney?
Wait, let me get
Okay.
Hey guys, do you like subscribe on my
You don't post. You can't even shove yourself out. Hey guys, I'm in 4th hour. Say hi to Janaya. Oh. Do you want to be in it?
Tripping. Tomorrow. Right, tomorrow. Catch me tomorrow.
Did I get my hair done today?
Sister has trials today.
Ooh, sister tryouts.
Sister tryouts.
Are you nervous?
No. It was
Either
over
you
it.
make JV varsity or you get
It's
cut.
over it. I want it to be over. Because this is not the move. Like 5-minute running. Vlog.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Your makeup
So-
looks great.
Yeah, like, and your outfit is on point. I'm subscribed to you, so.
Aw, see.
Wait, can I shout myself out? I'm a social media vegan.
Are those clowns?
Vegan? Yeah. What is it called? My name, Emmy Gormley for Instagram, Emmy.Gormley for Snapchat. Go add me. Wait, how many views do you get? Like, is a lot of people who see this? Is a lot of people, you are a lot of people. She does not have the brain. Hey guys, what's up? I'm on Snap. Dude, I really want to know. Hi guys. Oh, it's going. We're in Claire's. Yeah, we're subscribers. Hey Rachel fans. Yes.